This is the HoMedics TotalComfort Ultrasonic Humidifier with UVC technology. It is warm and cool mist. We're going to open it up real quick, see what it comes with, and see about how we set it up. It's got warm and cool. It does 12 to 120 minute hour runtime, depending on how much mist you're putting out. It's got a 2-gallon tank with handles, programmable humidity adjustment, auto off timer. It has a remote control. It's also a top fill tank. So that's some highlights of it. And we'll get her open here real quick. So, down where you guys can see it. Instructions and the remote. This looks like little filters. Cord. Okay, there's the plastic off of here. Looks like it's got a nice long cord. There's tape on everything. I remove. Tape up top. We'll pause it while I get some of this stuff removed. Okay, now that I got it open, it comes with these little demineralization things that need to be put inside of it. They need to be soaked in for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and fill the tank. The tank just lifts off like that, real easy. But we'll go ahead and do that before we start. Okay, it's been soaking for 10 minutes and it says to just put it inside the container here. So we'll do that. Drops to the bottom. Already filled the tank. We'll just set it on here like that. Start to fill it. You can hear it. Undo the power cord here. We'll plug it in. It does say you need to put that demineralization, put a new one in about every 30 to 40 fillings. So, and it does come with an extra one. So we'll put that in the drawer with the instructions so we remember how to do it. All right, and then you've got your little remote and you just pull the thing, starts the remote, and we need to remove this thing. There we go. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is definitely misting. We've got it on the cool. Go to hot. There's the hot mist. It does have a UV light inside the tank to keep it clear and clean. So that's it. You got timers, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 0 hours. You've got the clean light. That means that you need to clean it if that lights up. You can do different modes to turn the different lights on if they bother you. This is where you adjust your humidity level so it can auto turn on and off. Little rain guy. And you can change your pressure there. See how much it goes. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe against my black shirt you can see it flowing out of there. So there it is. This should help with all kinds of things in the house, increase the humidity. So definitely a good buy.